Hello students. So let's continue with the problems on it is discount. So in the previous lecture or in the class we have solved some numerical problems on discount. I think it is 5 sums we have solved. So we'll continue with the next one, that is problem number 6. Again same type of sum I have taken here. Question is, what net profit percentage is earned by making goods 60% above cost and allowing 12.5% trade discount and 5% cash discount. So same type of problem we have done in the previous class. So again same. So here they have asked to calculate what is the percentage of profit, right? If a merchant marks his goods 60% above the cost, 60% above the cost means here a merchant has fixed the price of his goods for sale at 60% more than the cost price. Means what does it mean? If he has purchased goods for 100 rupees, if he has purchased goods for 100 rupees, so for selling, what he has done, he has increased his cost by 60%. So 60% is what? Per 100, per 100 60 rupees. So it is, he has marked his article or the goods for sale for 60 rupees more than its cost price. Means he has marked his goods for sale at 160. So 160 is called as a mark price, list price or the catalog price. Yeah. So here we have to find out the catalog price. For that we need the cost price which is not known. So the cost price I am assuming as rupees 100. So let's begin with the solution. So again as it is, I will assume the cost price. Let the cost price be rupees 100. Yeah. Now first you calculate the marked price, right? Marked price will be this cost price 100 rupees. We have to increase by how much? 60 rupees. 100 rupees we have to increase by 60 rupees. So it comes to this 160. Means that merchant has marked his goods for sale at 160 rupees. And on this mark price, he is giving the discount. So how much discount he has given? He is giving 12.5%, right? 12.5% trade discount and 5% cash discount. So first you calculate the trade discount. So trade discount is equal to, you have to calculate 12.5%. 12.5% of what it is? 160 rupees. So 12.5% of 160 comes to how much? 20 rupees. Now if trade discount is 20 rupees, you have to find out what should be the invoice price. Invoice price. How to calculate the invoice price? From the marked price, you have to minus trade discount. So what is the mark price? 160 and trade discount is how much? 20 rupees. So my invoice price comes to 140 rupees. Now again he is giving 5% cash discount, and cash discount is always allowed on which price? Invoice price. So now we calculate the cash discount. So cash discount is equal to, you have to calculate 5%. 5% on what? 140 rupees. So 5% on 140, you will get how much? 7 rupees. So again he is giving 7 rupees discount. So if he is giving 7 rupees discount, so find out what should be the net price. Net price, or sometimes it is also called as what? Selling price. So that is equal to, what you have to do? From the invoice price, from invoice price, you minus cash discount. So invoice price is 140 minus cash discount is 7. So it comes to 133 rupees, right? So 133 rupees is what? This is the net price or the selling price. Means 100 rupees article, right? He has purchased that article for 100 rupees. So 100 rupees article he is selling at 133 rupees after giving the discount. So when 100 rupees article is sold for 133 rupees, that means he is getting 33 rupees extra. So whatever extra 33 rupees he is earning, that is called as his profit. So here, now you calculate what should be the profit. So how we calculate the profit? Profit is nothing but it is selling price minus cost price. From the selling price, if you minus the cost price, we get the profit. So it is profit is equal to selling price is 133 rupees minus cost price is 100. Therefore, it is profit equals to, you will get how much it is? 33 rupees. Means this 100 rupees is giving you 33 rupees profit. So this is the profit earned per 100, and any profit which is earned per 100 we call it as what? Percentage. So directly this profit I can express in form of what it is? Percentage. That is what I have asked here. Find the net profit percentage. So net profit percentage is how much here? 33%. Clear? So I hope this is clear to you all. So we will take the next sum on this. So here is the next problem. Problem number 7, which is quite similar to it is previous sum, but here the question is different here. The problem is a merchant keeps the lease price of an article 40% above the cost and earns a profit of is rupees 900 by giving 12.5% discount. Question is find the cost price of the article. Yeah. So in this problem they have asked to calculate what is the cost price of the article. So here a merchant keeps the lease price of an article 40% above the cost. Means whatever article he has purchased or at what price he has purchased the article. So for selling, again he has increased his cost by how much it is? 40%. Means if he has purchased the article for 100 rupees, right? This is the cost price. So while selling, what he has done? He has increased this cost by 40%. Means he has fixed the price of that article for sale at rupees how much? 140 rupees. 100 plus 40 rupees. And on this lease price, he is giving 12.5% discount. Here he is giving only one discount. How much it is? 12.5%. So whatever discount is that 12.5%, it is given on what it is? Lease price 140, and whatever discount is given on lease price, we call it as what? Trade discount. So here there is no cash discount. There is only one discount, trade discount. And after giving 12.5% discount on the lease price, so how much profit he has made? He has earned a profit of rupees how much it is? 900. So in this problem they have given the profit. So if the actual profit earned is 900 rupees, they are asking what is the actual cost price. So to calculate that, first we have to calculate the profit by assuming, means if your cost price is 100 and lease price is 140, and on this 140 rupees if he is giving 12.5% discount, so how much profit is earning, that profit you have to calculate first. So that is the profit when your cost price is 100. Clear? So what I want, if the actual profit is rupees 900, what is the cost price? So for that, first we have to find out the profit by assuming. So here what is the cost price is not known. So I will assume the cost price. Like the cost price of an article be rupees 100. Suppose the cost price of that article is rupees 100. Now you have to find out what? You have to find out the lease price. So least price will be this cost, we have to increase by how much here? 40. So in cost price we have to add 40 rupees. Is your lease price comes to 140 rupees. And on this lease price, how much discount he is giving? He is giving 12.5% discount. So now we calculate the trade discount. Trade discount. So trade discount is how much here? It is 12.5%. So 12.5% you have to calculate on what it is? 140 rupees. So 12.5% on 140 rupees, you will get 17 rupees 50 paise. With so much discount is given. So after giving this discount, he is selling that article. So at what price selling? At what price he is selling that article? That selling price I want to calculate. Because in this problem there is no cash discount. So directly I have to calculate the invoice price. Invoice price, or this invoice price itself is called as now selling price, because he is giving only one discount, and by giving only one discount he will sell that article. So here this this invoice price becomes what? Our selling price. So selling price or invoice price is equal to what you have to do? From the list price you have to minus trade discount. So what is our list price here? 140 minus 17 rupees 50 paise trade discount. So it comes to 122 rupees 50 paise. So my selling price comes to 122 rupees 50 paise. Means 100 rupees article he is selling at 122 rupees 50 paisa. Means when 100 rupees article is sold at 122 rupees 50 paisa, that means he is earning 22 rupees 50 paisa profit. Clear? So now we calculate the profit. So profit is equal to, it is selling price minus cost price, or what is the selling price here? 122 rupees 50 paisa minus cost price is how much here? 100. So how much profit he is getting? He is getting 22 rupees 50 paisa profit. So this is the profit earned when your cost price is 100. Or we have assumed our cost price as 100 here. So this cost price gives us 22 rupees 50 paisa profit. So what I want, if the actual profit earned is rupees how much? 900. Actual profit earned is how much? 900. So I want what is the actual cost price. So for that we need to put the equation. So now you put the equation. So how equation you have to put? When? Because here they have given the profit, so you have to start with the profit. When profit is 22 rupees 50 paise, at that time what should be the cost price? When so much is the profit, 100 should be the cost price. When profit is 22 rupees 50 paisa, cost price is 100. So you have to ask for when my profit, when my actual profit is rupees 900, which is given in the problem, right? When actual profit is 900, I want what should be the cost price. So my cost price is 900 into 100, right? Divided by what? 22 rupees 50 paisa. So 900 you multiply by this 100 and it is divided by 22.50. So this multiply and divide by 22.50, so you get rupees 4,000. So what should be the cost price? It is 4,000. So below this you can write, therefore the cost price of an article is rupees 4,000. Clear? So this problem also they have repeated so many times in the exam. For how many marks? It is for 5 marks. So I hope this is clear to you all. Or we will take the another sum of this. So here I have taken the next problem on its discount, that is problem number 8. The problem is a refrigerator marked at ₹12,000 is offered at discount of 15% if the trader still gains 20% on cost question is find the cost price of the refrigerator. So as we did the previous sum, so like that here also you have to calculate what is the cost price of the refrigerator. Only the change here is, here they have given the mark price. Here they have given the actual mark price of the refrigerator is how much here? 12,000, which is offered at a discount of how much it is? 15%. So here they have given only one discount, 15%. So here that after giving the discount, so they have given if the trader still gains how much it is? 20% on cost. So I have to find out what is the cost price. Yeah. So let's calculate the cost price. So here they have given the mark price. What is the mark price here? Mark price given is 12,000. So on this mark price, how much discount they are giving? 15% discount they are giving. So calculate the discount. That is called as the trade discount. So trade discount is equal to, you have to remove 15%. 15% on what it is? 12,000. So 15% of it is 12,000. It is 1,800. Yeah. So if discount is 1,800, so find out what should be the invoice price. Invoice price, or this invoice price itself is called as now selling price, because there is no cash discount. So after giving only one discount of 1,800, so he is selling that refrigerator, right? So invoice price or selling price is equal to what you have to do from the mark price. From mark price, you have to minus the trade discount. So what is the mark price? It is 12,000 minus trade discount is how much? 1,800. So minus this, you will get 10,200. So 10,200 is which price? This is my selling price. Means when you sell that refrigerator for 10,200, so that trader gets a profit of how much they are saying it is? 20% on which price? Cost price. Now selling price means what? This selling price include profit. How much it is? 20%. So from this selling price, if you minus the profit, what we get? We get the cost price. So this selling price always include the profit. So this selling price, we know it includes 20% profit, but on which price it is? On cost price. 10,200 is my which price it is? Selling price. So to calculate, now we have to calculate the profit. Now you have to calculate the profit. To calculate the profit, you cannot calculate 20% profit on 10,200, because 10,200 is not my cost price. This is my which price? Selling price. And profit is on which price? The said it is cost price. So if you remember in the first topic while teaching the ratio, I had told there some 1-2 problems we did on this, right? So at that time I told while finding the profit, right? So profit generally is always calculated on which price? Cost price, and not on selling price. When specifically it is given on selling price, at that time only you have to calculate on selling price, otherwise it is always calculated on cost price. So here profit is on cost price, not on selling price. And what is the cost price of this refrigerator? It is not known. So what I will do? I will do the assumption, right? I will do the assumption. So here, because until and unless you know the cost price, we cannot calculate the profit. And this is my selling price. So on this selling price, I cannot calculate the profit. Hence, what I will do? I will assume the cost price. Let the cost price be rupees how much is 100. Suppose the cost price of that refrigerator is 100 and you want to sell this refrigerator. So after selling, how much profit you want? You want 20% profit on which price? On your cost price. Now cost price is known 100. So as cost price is known, so I can easily find out the profit. So now you calculate the profit. So profit is equal to remove 20%. 20% on what? On 100 rupees. So 20% on 100 rupees. Profit comes to how much it is? 20 rupees. So if you want to earn 20 rupees profit, so you have to find at what price you have to sell that refrigerator. So now you have to calculate the selling price. So So how to calculate the selling price when there is a profit? Selling price is nothing but it is cost price plus it is profit. So selling price is equal to, what is our cost price? We have assumed it is 100 plus what is the profit we have calculated? It is 20 rupees. So selling price comes to how much it is? 120 rupees. Yeah. So this is as per my assumption. Means if the cost price of that refrigerator is 100 and if you want 20 rupees profit on this cost price, then you will have to sell that refrigerator for rupees how much? 120. Understood? But here we are not selling for 120, we are selling for how much it is? 10,200. So if you are selling for 10,200, I want to know what should be the cost price. So as per our assumption, we know if you are selling for 120, then what should be our cost price? It is 100. Right? If our selling price comes to 120, when our cost price is how much it is? 100 rupees. So to find out the cost, I know the cost price of this selling price. Cost price of this selling price is 100. So I want to calculate what is the cost price of this selling price. So for that we need to put the equation. So how equation we have to put here? So the equation is when selling price is 120, at that time what should be the cost price? My cost price must be rupees 100. This is as per my assumption. So what I want, when my actual selling price is rupees how much? 10,200. 10,200, what must be the cost price? Yeah. So what must be the cost price? It is 10,200 into 100 and is divided by, it is 120. Yeah. So multiply this and divide by it is what? 120. It comes to 8,500. Yeah. So what must be the cost price? It is 8,500. So here below that you can write, therefore the cost price of the refrigerator is rupees 8,500. Yeah. So this is how you have to find out the cost price. So this problem also they have repeated so many times in the exam for this and not 8 marks. Yeah. So I hope it is clear to you all these 3 sums. So in the next video or in the next class I will come with some more problems on discount. Thank you.